సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి అఫ్సర్ టెక్ వరల్డ్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ అండ్ ప్రెస్ బెల్ ఐకాన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Hi friends, this is Afsar and you are watching my YouTube channel Afsar Tech World. Friends, 17th రోజు 2020 Learn a word a day. 4 words ఇక్కడ ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. Join, believe, emerge and marketing. These are 4 words. First one belongs to class first and second one 3, 4, 5, and third one 6, 7, 8. The last one 9th and 10th classes. Let us know the meaning about words. For class 1 to join, the spelling JOIN join, తెలుగులో మీనింగ్ కలుపు, ఏదైనా జాయిన్ కావడం, జాయిన్ చేయడము అలా. అండ్ మీనింగ్స్ పుట్ టుగెదర్, admit, become a member of, and phonetic transcript is you చూస్తున్నారు, you can see here. Other form join, noun, join and joined, present tense, past tense and past participle. ఈ ఫామ్ లో ఈ వర్బ్ అనమాట. ఓవరాల్ గా జాయిన్ ఈజ్ యూజ్డ్ యాజ్ నౌన్ అండ్ ఆల్సో వర్బ్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఫర్ 3, 4, 5 క్లాసెస్, బిలీవ్, నమ్ముట, తెలుగులో నమ్మడం. స్పెల్లింగ్స్ BELIEVE, బిలీవ్, మీనింగ్ టు హ్యావ్ ఫేత్ ఆర్ confident in the existence, and phonetic script you can see on the screen. Other forms believe, believed, believed. These verb form belief, beliefs, believer. These are noun forms. And synonym trust, credit, accept, faith, hope. These are synonyms. Dear students and friends, the believe word can be used as noun and also as verb. And go for next. This is for class 6th and 7th and 8th classes. Emerge, EMERGE, emerge అంటే దీని మీనింగ్ బయటపడు, ఉద్భవించు, డెవలప్ కావడం. స్పెల్లింగ్స్ EMERGE, ఎమర్జ్, మీనింగ్. దీని యొక్క మీనింగ్ ఏమంటే బికమ్ అపారెంట్ ఆర్ ప్రామినెంట్, టు అపియర్ బై కమింగ్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ సంథింగ్. అండ్ phonetic script is on the screen, you can see now. Other forms emerge, emerged and emerged. These are verb forms. Emerging, adjective. And synonyms appear, come up, arise. These are for 6th to 8th classes. Now 9th and 10th classes. 9th and 10th class, marketing, kraya, vikrayalu. Dear students and friends, you can see in Telugu meaning there is a missing of some rawattu. Kaaku rawattu రావాలి. అండ్ ఇక్కడ కూడా కాకు రావత్ రావాలి, అది మిస్ అయింది, మీరు గమనించగలరు. స్పెల్లింగ్ మార్కెటింగ్, MARKETING, marketing, meaning shopping at the market. Promotion, advertisement and selling products and services to the consumers. Phonetic script also there, you can watch now. Other forms market, marketing are noun forms. Market, marketed, marketed, verb form. Synonym of the word sell, merchandise and promote. Okay friends, these all 4 words regarding learn a word a day. One more thing I want to instruct students Whenever you want to pronounce, learn a word a day. Don't pronounce a as a, because the letter a is the name of that letter, not a sound. If you go to dictionary, you can know the pronunciation of single letter a. You have to pronounce it as a. If you are reading ABCD, you can say A, B, C, D, like this. The pronunciation of A is only in the ABCD. But when you are reading the letter in between words, you have to say A. You can refer in your dictionary also. And if you like my videos, please do subscribe so that my videos can reach you directly, and share to your friends. Thank you.